Hello, my name is Selena Egamasi. I'm going to go over the PARS theory of human becoming. There is universal acknowledgement that the clinical care provided to patients should be informed on the best available evidence to ensure quality care and improved outcomes. Subsequently, nursing theories have been developed to describe and guide the processes of translating research into practice. In particular, PARS theory of human becoming was established by Rosemarie Rizzo, PARS, to guide caregivers when attending to patients by helping them to focus on the quality of life as it is described uh, and lived. The PARS theory of human becoming was developed based on three fundamental principles comprising meaning, rhythmicity, and transcendence. The PARS theory of human becoming assesses the lives and experiences of patients according to the four meta paradigms of nursing, namely, individuals as open beings, health as an open process of being and becoming, and nursing as a science and art which uses the abstract knowledge to serve, and the environment which comprises the composition and experience of an individual. Results from the assessment can be used to rate the quality of life of an individual from a broad perspective. Integration in addressing depression. According to Smith and Parker, Parr's theory of human becoming can be incorporated into practice by adopting the guiding principles of the theory when attending to patients. The three principal guidelines include illuminating the meaning of the situation, synchronizing rhythm, and mobilizing transcendence. In illuminating the meaning of the situation, the caregiver will assess the subjects using the Mood Tools app. The app is an evidence-based diagnostic tool used in the treatment and management of depression. The application is considered to be effective because it utilizes the PHQ-9 as a screening tool. PHQ-9 is a 9-item self-administered screening tool that has been developed using the new criteria for diagnosing major depression. Responding to the questions in the PHQ-9 automatically establishes the severity of depression. In synchronizing rhythm, the caregiver establishes the association between the severity of the condition and the behavior of individuals. To mobilize transcendence, the app provides patients with suggestions on suitable methods of managing condition based on the scores. Strengths. The PARS theory of human becoming has its strengths. 1. Structure of the theory provides a logical flow of processes such as elaborate research procedures, establishing assumptions, and deriving the basic principles of operation. 2. The theory focuses on the perspective of all individuals, not only those defined by societal norms as being ill. 3. The theory contains a human-based assumption that the liberty to choose personal meaning while relating value priorities. 4. The theory differentiates nursing from other disciplines. 5. It provides a framework of care and useful administration of care to patients. 6. The theory is useful in educating nurses. And 7. It provides a framework that guides inquiry of the theories. Weaknesses. The PARS theory of human becoming is prone to several weaknesses. One is the theory that does not articulate the body of knowledge and psychomotor skills that are attributed to the practice of professional nursing. 2. The theory limits the performance and implementation research to patient-nurse association. 3. The outcomes cannot be compared to other research studies. They are not quantifiable. 4. It does not use the professional nursing processes of diagnosing and administering treatment. 5. The theory promotes the concept that each encounters a unique life experience. And 6. The principles of the theory are not applicable to acute emergency care. Thank you, and that is my presentation.